have reached your destination. The destination is on your right.
Here we are, babies. We made it. This is our home for the week.
So, it is Monday morning. We are heading out just for a little bit. Wow, you guys are just terrors. You're terrible. We are heading out to the dog park here at the Lake George RV Park. So, get these guys running around, get some exercise. All right, let's go. Sit, stay, good dog. Annie's more interested in smelling around the pine trees.
This is for us, right here.
All right, under 30 pounds. That's us, guys.
Come on, baby.
This is nice. Hang on, hang on. There you go. Have at it. Look at all the space to run in, guys. I don't think our dogs have that much agility just right yet. Spray fountain, that'd be kind of cool in the summertime, pun intended. It's a pretty cool dog park. And this is probably one of the better ones we've seen. Granted, we haven't been to a lot of these better RV resorts, but this is pretty nice. I mean, check out this little patio here. Right, it looks like we got a bathing station, which is really nice. Our dogs actually need that. And they may actually come here to get that. I'll let Tina know that. So that's great. This is really nice. This is really nice. And I like to have AstroTurf here. That makes it really nice as well. Look like a walking path over there. I guess this is the big dog area. Double dog check. Again, pun intended.
You know, with all the craziness going on in the world today, you know, sometimes you just have to leave your worries behind and go outside and play.
How's that stick, Denver? You like that stick? Hey, buddy.
Good job, guys. That makes me happy. Makes me happy. Let's see if I can hide again from them.
I got it.
Where am I? Find me. Oh, you got cheated. You have better sniffers than me. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Good girl. Denver, you want to do it? Let's go. Whoa, scary sounds. Good job. Come on, Denver, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. You're just gonna lay down. You have gotten really lazy there. Let's go, come on, let's go. Come on. Hey guys, come here. Say hi to everybody. You can't go in, sweetie. And mister, I don't think you can go in. We want to go in and see Mom. We are at site 247 and it's just maybe a 5-minute walk to the camp store where Mom just went into the camp store. Hi, Mom. So
Alright, I'm ready to go.
alright, so we got our bundle of wood and 2 bags of ice, and it was only $47. No, just kidding. It was 18 bucks.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, heading back.
I know you guys think you're going
Heading back. Good?
Really good. Yeah.
All right.
Tacos. You never go wrong with tacos.
No. Or how was it in Napoleon Dynamite? A quesadilla?
I pray for my homies out there. Please God, give them strength. Please God.
Alright, one of our to-dos was to go to the Wax Museum and House of Frankenstein. We are heading in.
Yeah.
Don't be scared, Tina.
You neither.
And thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Alright, here we go.
Ooh, room of the rats. Ooh.
Remember these?
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah. Oh gosh, I'm already sitting. Whoa, man.
Oh my god! That gets you dizzy.
Yes, it would.
That was good.
I said that one. What do you think?
It was scary.
It was kind of scary.
Yeah.
So Tina and I had a pretty good time going through this. They called it a wax museum, but honestly, I didn't see anything that was wax. I mean, maybe the Frankenstein head might have been wax. I don't know. I think really the only thing that got waxed were Tina and I with our $11 per person to go through this. You are here. Here we are at the entrance of the park. This would be where you check in to the park, and they got a 3 10s, 10, 10, 10. Beautiful landscaping as you enter. I mean, the park is beautiful. When you pull in, it's got a long entranceway to the check-in building, to the main office, but it's absolutely beautiful and easy to get in and out of. We went inside the camp store and just checked out the goodies, and they've got a good selection of stuff. We actually bought, remember the old Mad Libs? I bought a Mad Libs game, and of course we forgot to play it on the way home. But hey, there's always more adventures. The office was pretty well stocked. I mean, if you needed stuff, I mean, here you can see they have, plenty of camping supplies, even your batteries if you needed a battery, leveling blocks. It was pretty well daggone stocked, and we were quite pleased with it. Of course, they always have your goodies. And of course, beer. Gotta have our beer. And the ice. And of course, if you need to cook your wiener, I don't mean you, Denver and Annie, but if you want some hot dogs on the grill, you left your tools at home, you can get them. And if you have a headache from drinking too much beer, there's plenty of aspirin available.